Today, I have 2 cucumber salad recipes for you. One has like 5 ingredients, the other has 10. They're both not difficult to put together, and I kind of love them. And I think you will too, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with the more simpler one first. You're going to begin by thinly slicing 1 cucumber. You can do 2 if you want, depending on how large of a salad you're looking for. Now you can slice this either with a knife or with a mandolin, but it's totally up to you. Another great thing is that there's no peeling, so you're just washing the cucumber and going straight into the slicing. Once you're done that, put your slices into a bowl and salt them very well. Once that's done, you're gonna set it aside for a minimum of 20 minutes. So what's gonna happen is you're going to macerate the cucumber slices, and the salt is essentially going to draw out all of the water. You're gonna get this great salty, briny cucumber juice. It's great stuff. When the time is almost up, you're going to grab half an onion or a whole one. I use the whole one because I love onions. Slice it in half and then thinly slice those 2 halves so that you have a bunch of julienne style onion slices. All right. 20 minutes are up. Now you're gonna add in the almonds. Yep, you're gonna add in the almonds. There are no almonds. You're going to add in the onion slices, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1.5 teaspoons of honey. You can also use maple syrup. Stir all of that together until the honey is fully incorporated. Refrigerate for another 20 minutes, and you're good to go. Speaking of good to go, let's move on to number 2. For this one, I had 2 cucumbers, and you're going to begin by scoring the cucumbers. So, of course, wash them and then take a fork and the fingers, the prongs, the stems, whatever you call those things, at the ends of your forks. You're going to use them to score from top to bottom all the way around each one. And really, I think that's for a couple of reasons. One, because, well, decorative reasons, they look good. 2, also it's gonna help to give the dressing something to cling on to a little bit more. And slice the cucumbers. You don't have to slice them as thinly as you did the last one. Once you've done that, you're gonna salt them once again and set them aside for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. Mine, I set aside for about 30 minutes. All right, cucumbers are done. Let's move on to toasting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Unless you've already toasted them, then you can totally forget this step. But if you don't have toasted sesame seeds, all I did was put them into a non-stick frying pan and shake the pan a couple of times over the span of about 10 minutes on a medium-high heat. And once they've adopted a nice golden brown color, you can set them aside, let them cool down. 2 to 3 more items need to be prepped while you're waiting for your cucumbers to macerate. 3 to 4 scallions or green onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and about a tablespoon of ginger. Now you can grate it or you can buy it pureed. I had pureed, so I didn't have anything to prepare for that. It's time to move on to the next part. You can either choose to drain or not drain out the cucumber juice after the 30 minutes are up. I kept the juice in, but you may find that it dilutes the flavor a bit by keeping the juice. It's up to you. Once you've made that decision, now you're gonna add in all the other ingredients. Add in the garlic and the pureed or the grated ginger. Bring out that rice vinegar again, because you're going to need a 1/4 cup of it. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. I love sesame oil, so if you want to add in a little bit more, go right ahead. 1 tablespoon of honey. And depending on how spicy you like it, you're going to add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of Sriracha. I'm putting in 1. Add in the green onions and the toasted sesame seeds, mix it all up, bada boom, bada bing, you're done. Pop it back into the fridge for another 20 minutes, let it chill, et voila, delicious. 2 cucumber recipes for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see ya in the next video. Bye.